Hello again. We are ready now to talk about cognitive training and attention training specifically in autism. When talking about cognitive training in autism, it should be noted that most previous training programs in autism addressed joint attention. As you probably know, joint attention refers to the ability of sharing common focus on something, such as other people, objects, a concept or an event, with someone else. For example, two children may both look at a toy they're playing with. Or another example, two children can observe a football match they would like to join. The intention here is to share the experience. Joint attention, also known as shared attention, can be achieved by using eye contact, pointing using the index finger, and/or vocalizations including spoken words such as "look over there." Naturally, joint attention, both the ability to initiate it and respond to it, is required for developmental, social, emotional, and cognitive skills, and it is one of the main difficulties in autism. Yet quite recently, several studies showed that direct intervention cognitive training in autism, the approach that we've been talking about earlier in this course, produced both near and far transfer outcomes. Two of these recent studies have used the CPAT. Let's look together at the results of a study that investigated the CPAT in individuals with autism. This specific study was conducted in Brazil quite recently. In this figure, we see a comparison between two groups of children with autism. One group is the CPAT group, where children worked with the CPAT program, and the other one is the control group, where children worked with standard computer games. As can be seen in this figure, the effects of the CPAT on academic skills of children with autism, the improvements of their performance, not only replicated the original study with ADHD children, but further extended it in demonstrating that these improvements were maintained several months after the completion of the intervention, when the follow-up assessment took place. For those of you who are going to work with the CPAT with autistic individuals, it is essential that we will take into account several characteristics of autism that may translate to various possible pitfalls. Let me briefly review potential challenges. I'm sure you can think of other challenges, and you are welcome to do that. One of the things we should be aware of is the tendency of many individuals with autism to search for a fixed and common structure, to look for rules, and to insist maintaining their rituals. Another characteristics shared by many autistics is their highly specific interest. Other typical feature of autism is the rigidity of some of the autistics and the lack of flexibility when things differ from what was planned and/or when adjustments are necessary. Another challenge may result from the anxiety that many autistics experience, especially when they participate in new activities, cope with rules, or find themselves in new settings, etc., etc. Other related characteristic of autism is difficulty in self-regulation. These challenges, as well as others, may affect very often the behavior and level of cooperation of autistics. In the final theme of this course, after you will learn practically how to operate the CPAT, the program itself, you will be able to realize how the above challenges can be addressed when working with the CPAT.